And this very thoughtful individual is clearing up in front of their home. It's the side of the community football pitch, and he's nicely raking up all the leaves of the tree that have fallen, and he's quite happily burning them. Sawadee krap. มาอยู่ไหน
มาอยู่บ้าน
อ้าว
อยู่บ้าน
ไม่ชอบฝนตกใช่ไหม ไม่ชอบฝนวันนี้สวยสวย I just met my acquaintance down by the river. He hasn't got his dog with him again. He said she's 3 years old and she doesn't like coming out in this weather, but he didn't want to disturb her. She was sleeping, so he came out without her. Lovely guy. Just like me, he enjoys coming down and looking at the water here by the side of the Ping. Today, Saturday, 19 of September. We're expecting the tropical storm to hit any time. I've been looking on Windy, the app that I keep on my phone to check what's happening with the weather, and right now the clouds and the rain we had last night are a peripheral part of that storm, but we're expecting the actual centre of that storm to hit us early evening today, Saturday. Nice little fella's going for a walk. I've come here many times on my videos, and I go on and on and on about how I like the look of it. I think there's so much to be gained from looking at water, but for me also it's the people who are carrying on their lives around the water. They're doing things in their daily routines around the water, and it's so fascinating.
You know, Mark,
Okay.
if you not
Closed. Bid. And waterproof.
and waterproof, yes.
Cup. Very good.
Waterproof is the here one for battery.
Okay. Very good. I thank you very much. Thank you. Sawadee krap. Well, I'd like to say a big thank you for all the feedback I've received on this channel over recent videos, particularly the history, the foreigners changing Chiang Mai video this week. It was a bit of a mixed feeling for me. I didn't want to go into too much detail, and I am fascinated with detail. That's my unfortunately, that's my fetish. I really need detail, otherwise I'm never happy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, and thank you for your feedback there. I've come this morning to have a look at the Ping River down at Padaet Weir, and it's a beautiful view across here, apart from a little bit of a haze now and again from the guy that started burning his leaves over there on the community football field. Well, thank you for joining me on this very short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed already, please do. I do videos once, twice a week, so check back on a regular basis. Leave me a comment below. How do you feel about being next to water? Do you enjoy it as much as you obviously realise I do? I woke up with a bit of a headache this morning, a nuzzy head. I think it's the oppression by the weather, the low atmospheric pressure that's happening here in northern Thailand right now. So that's gave me a bit of a headache. And I came down here and had a look at the water and walked along by the river, and immediately I felt much better. The headache's gone. No drugs, no medicine, just have a looking at the water. It's relieved that nuzzy feeling in my head. Anyway, until next time, stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Bye bye.